Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the prestigious Rose Hall area of Jamaica at Caribbean Heights, this stunning 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom villa offers a perfect blend of Caribbean charm, comfort, and luxury. Boasting panoramic ocean views and situated in a prime location, just steps away from the renowned Rose Hall Great House and the world-class Rose Hall Golf Course. This property offers an ideal investment or a serene retreat for a family. This spacious villa features 5 beautifully appointed bedrooms, 4 of which have ensuite bathrooms for added privacy and convenience. 3 of these bedrooms open directly onto the pool area. Throughout the villa, there are modern conveniences such as smoke detectors, storm shutters, ceiling fans, and air conditionings in all rooms, including the lounge. An integrated music system allows you to enjoy your favorite tunes throughout the villa, including in the pool area and kitchen. The villa's shaker-style chef's kitchen is equipped with modern amenities, including a range cooker, marble countertops, and recessed lighting. There is an outdoor lounge and a dining area overlooking the swimming pool, with uninterrupted views of the Caribbean Sea. The meticulously manicured villa grounds are filled with lush tropical plants, and the land size is approximately 0.43 acres. Schedule a viewing today and experience paradise. Guys, let's take a look at this villa, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 2 million or Jamaican $307.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.